Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ryan again with another tutorial. This is an interesting one I just kind of ran into. I thought I'd make a little tutorial about just adding a bleed on your image. This is a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So let's say I have this scene right here, and the size is 4000 by 1285. All right, I rendered it out, and I brought it into Photoshop. Okay. Now, let's say the client wanted 20% more room on the edges, but they love this. They love the cropping. They don't want anything to change. So how do we just kind of expand that frame? And in Photoshop, it's pretty easy. You just go to canvas size, we'll go to percent, and we'll hit 120. 120. So 20% on both sides, and that's what we want to get. So we want everything to kind of keep, go outside of this frame. So continuation of all the elements. So how do we do that in 3D? Your first maybe thought would be just to, let's just increase this size here, 4800, and then it's locked the image aspect ratio. So that's correct. That's 20%, and then it just carries over. So if I render that out, this is that size, so it's 4800. And if I put that on here, you can tell it's not. It didn't expand the edges. It just made the image bigger. All right, so that's not what we want. So what we have to do is we have to go in here. We added our 20%, which is correct. Now we have to go to grab our camera, and see this film gate right here. We have to add 20% to that guy. So if you 36, which is currently 36 times 0.2 is 7.2. So we're going to add 7.2 to this 36. We'll get 43.2. All right, and you can just see it just kind of made the camera a little bit wider. So then we'll render that out, bring that into Photoshop. Okay, here's the adjusted one, and paste it there. And as you see, it's right on the money. Everything continues on, and we have room to we have extra room on this one. So and that's it. So let me know what you guys think. I was looking for some resources, couldn't really find too much about it, but there was someone had a script that they wrote, and I was just like, well, I'm gonna try and find a way to do it without downloading and installing a script. So but anyway, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, concerns, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.